Hey there, future dog owners. We know how exciting and sometimes daunting it can be to choose your first furry friend. That's why we're here today with a guide to help you find the perfect dog for your first-time ownership experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon, so you never miss out on valuable pet advice. Understanding first-time ownership. We understand that as a first-time owner, you're looking for a loyal, easygoing, and manageable companion. You want a dog that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. The good news is there are several breeds that are a great match for first-timers. Let's explore your options. 1. Labrador Retriever. First up, the Labrador Retriever, the ultimate family dog. Known for their gentle nature and intelligence, they're great with kids and are relatively easy to train. Labs are social and adaptable, making them perfect for both apartment and house living. They'll be your loyal companion on outdoor adventures and lazy Sunday afternoons. 2. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. If you're looking for a pint-sized partner, consider the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. They're friendly, affectionate, and thrive on companionship. These little royals are well suited for apartment living and will happily cuddle with you. They require moderate exercise and are a fantastic choice for those looking for a lap dog. 3. Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is next on our list, known for their friendly and sociable nature. They're patient and excellent with families. Goldens are easy to train and make great first-time dogs due to their loving demeanor. They're active, so be prepared for outdoor playtime. 4. Basset Hound. If you prefer a more laid-back companion, the Basset Hound is an excellent choice. They're calm, easygoing, and have a charmingly unique appearance. Bassets require moderate exercise and are content with lounging around. They're also known for their affectionate nature. 5. Pug. Last but not least, the Pug, a bundle of joy in a small package. Pugs are known for their playful and loving personalities. They adapt well to different living situations and are relatively low maintenance, making them a great fit for first-time owners. Conclusion. There you have it, a glimpse of some of the best dog breeds for first-time owners. Remember, every dog is an individual, and the most important thing is the bond you share. Before you make your choice, spend time with different breeds to see which one steals your heart. Make sure to research further to understand their specific needs and traits. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow dog enthusiasts. Curious about what your canine companion might dislike? Click on the video playing now to uncover the 10 things that dogs often find irksome. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy dog hunting and enjoy the journey of being a loving pet parent.